Hi everyone, welcome to the ChackTok channel. Today we're going to show you how to share your event videos using ChackTok. Sharing videos with your guests quickly is really important. It keeps the experience smooth and makes it easy for them to get their videos right away. With ChackTok, there are three main ways to share your event videos, so let's have a look. Method 1. Direct sharing after shooting. This is the fastest and easiest way to share videos. Perfect when guests want their videos right after recording. Now here's how it works. First, go to your event and tap Enter Event. After recording, once the video finishes processing, you'll see several sharing options at the bottom. You can share video by email, SMS, QR code, or app sharing. This method is great for instant sharing at the booth. Method 2. Share via ShareStation. This method is great for busy events, where you want to keep the line moving. With a ShareStation, guests can record on one device and share their videos from another device. Here's how to set it up. First, you'll need to have two devices. A recording device, a filming device, and a ShareStation device. But make sure that both devices are logged into the same ChackTok account and in the same event. Once a video is uploaded, go to the second device and enter the same event and tap Enter Sharing. Now your ShareStation is ready. Guests can browse and share their videos from the second device without interrupting the main booth. This setup works especially well for weddings, corporate events, or large parties. If you'd like a detailed guide on setting up a ShareStation, check out our video How to Set Up a ShareStation in ChackTok. Method 3. Share from Gallery. The gallery is where all your uploaded event videos are stored. This option is perfect if you want to share videos after the event. To exit it, tap Gallery on the bottom menu of the ChackTok app. Here you'll see a list of all your events and their videos. If you want to share all videos from an event, simply tap the Share button next to the event name. You'll get a QR code and a link that guests can use to view the videos. If you only want to share one specific video, open the event, choose the video, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Share. This is a great option when you want to send videos after the event or reshare them later. Now, which method should you use? If you want instant sharing right after recording, use Direct Share. If you're running a busy event and you want smoother traffic flow, set up a ShareStation. And if you want to share videos later or send a full event gallery, use the Gallery option. And that's how you can share event videos in ChackTok. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more ChackTok tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.